Shoot them, guys. Shoot them.
How you making, Bone Gang? And welcome back to another episode. We are still in Kansas, and it is still cold. It's like 25 degrees this morning. We're all getting up, stirring around. It's about 6:30. We're supposed to be heading to a pond hunt today at around, well, we're leaving at about 7. So this ought to be pretty cool. We're still hunting geese. They went scouted out last night. They got well, I don't know how many birds they got on it, but sounds like it's going to be a good time. So hopefully we do a little bit better shooting this time than I did last video. Yeah, today we're hunting with Bobby, so y'all get to meet him if y'all don't know who he is. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below for his channel and his Instagram, and also his guide service, Sandhill Flyway. Whew, it's cool out here. Everybody's getting up, stirring around. What's up? What's up, puppy? What's up, puppy? It's awesome seeing puppies everywhere here. Puppies everywhere. Yeah, puppies. Josh is over here cooking the most important meal of the day.
Gotta get your vitamins, children.
Oh, absolutely.
Vitamins in the morning.
So there's about 8 guests staying with us in the lodge. Fortunately, all of them are really cool guys from all over the country. So it's been fun, man. We've been enjoying the heck out of it. You boys ready to get some birds today, or what?
Heck yeah, man.
Y'all gonna shoot better than I did yesterday? Alright, that's good.
We'll see. You gotta hit one bird, right?
That's all you gotta hit. If you hit one, you've already done better than I did yesterday. I'm so glad you love me, John. Alright boys, we're all set up. I'll show you all the spread in a minute. We got some flying around, but what's different with this hunt than yesterday's hunt is we got out here after sunrise because if you see this big body of water, that big body of water right there, that's where the geese were roosting overnight. So what we did was we got up late, took our time getting out here to let the geese get off the pond, and they're gonna go out into the field and feed, and then they should start trickling back once they get some full bellies and be heading back to water. At least that's what Bobby tells me, because you know, this is only my second goose hunt ever. I promise you. You check out his channel, they know what they're talking about. They put us on a bunch of birds yesterday, and we were already seeing a ton of them today. So, but you know what? I need to load my gun, because shooting them with a camera is cool and all, but it's just not as much fun as shooting them with a gun. So.
Here we go. Keep your heads down.
Here we go, boys. The first 4. We ought to be able to get a shot off at these. Oh, look at this.
Shoot him there, guys. Shoot him there. Shoot him, shoot. Yeah!
Ooh, that's 2 down. Up. One sailing. One sailing.
They got him.
Hey!
Hell yeah. We got one over there on the corner, and we got one out front on the rock.
Look at that.
That one out there. Hell yeah. Woo! Well, oh, look at the honkers. Get up. Up north of us.
All right. Coming back.
Load up, boys. Load up.
Uh-oh.
Safety's on. Just make sure you always have a hand on that gun. It can fall.
Yes, sir.
We get rowdy today. Safety, safety.
Safety second. You know how it works. Right over the top.
Don't move. Oh, yeah. Don't keep your heads down. Don't move, and go over the top.
Here we
Heads
go.
down. Son of a gun!
Them birds were on a mission, and this location was not part of it.
Come on, man.
We got some floaters, some full bodies on the bank. see them out there in the distance, they just going to move some decoys around, see if they can make it look a little bit more appetizing for them, the next flock that rolls through. If it don't work, try something new. Got old Bobby and Preston rearranging some decoys. Coming over here. You know you want to. And nothing. I guess these guys just ain't ready for a drink yet. We getting a few coming through. They're getting closer. Hopefully we'll get some in the pond here in Charlotte, folks.
You think they're going back to Saskatchewan?
Saskatchewan. Circling back.
You ready? Shoot him there! Oh my lord!
Woo. You know he did.
Trip!
That was dude didn't have a chair.
That's
That was like the 21 gun salute!
Hello, good morning.
He had the death penalty there.
Oh, that was awesome. Oh, they're gonna do it.
Keep your face down.
They're gonna do it.
Take this You're the 4, guys! I asked.
Holy moly!
I wasn't prepared for
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready at all. A pelican?
On the left, on the left.
Not even reloaded yet.
These hawks and eagles that keep flying around are not helping.
No.
Look at this.
Did they get that bird that's in the water?
Oh wow, you hear him screaming. God, look at the hawk.
You got a bird in the water.
Oh, they attacking each other. Down out of here.
Those gunshots?
Yep.
Yeah.
They were full commit that they heard that. Yeah, they didn't like that.
No. Like that. I know that noise.
Right in front of you. Shoot him on the right, guys. Shoot him on the right. Shoot him there, guys. Shoot him there.
They had one shell in it.
Really? That was pretty bad shooting, boys.
Yeah, that was. I'm pretty shamed right now. Not gonna lie. Pretty embarrassed.
I was really not ready for that one.
And
That was well done on getting them in here.
I'm still shooting my average, so.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well done. Oh, what do we got here? Fries with some food. Oh my goodness. Hey man. Cheeseburgers?
Special delivery.
Oh yeah.
Like little eyes.
Here we go. Now this is goose hunting, fellas.
One more.
Get some fuel for the rest of this hunt, you know?
Shoot him, guys. Shoot him.
Oh, boys. I don't think any of them got up, huh? The finisher. Woo! Heck yeah, boys! I made it all worth it.
Hey, hey.
Oh, give us a dance! Give us a dance! Boom, 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 boom!
T-Rex! T-Rex!
Yeah!
That was cool. Woo.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh man.
Arkansas!
Oh man.
Oh wow.
Dude, that was sick.
I was like, they're gonna shortstop us. They're gonna shortstop us.
Oh man.
Shoot 'em on the
Woo!
Ain't nobody scared to shoot on the water.
Is that? Well, Bone Gang, we are back at the lodge. We got the folks back there cleaning the birds. The work here never stops. These guys have been awesome. Great hunt today. I've never seen anything like that in my life. That was heart-stopping, adrenaline-pumping action. So if the video came out a 64th as good as it was in real life, I'm sure you enjoyed it. So hit that thumbs up button if you did enjoy it. Please do. And this is what I talk about getting outdoors and making some new memories. So this is something we're going to remember for the rest of our lives. We tried something new. It worked out. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do very much appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you hadn't and hit that notification bell. Tomorrow, we got one more hunt in the morning before we head out and start heading back to good old Louisiana. So until next time, guys, make sure you get outdoors, try new things, and make some new memories. We're going to let Fred close this one out. Oh, Freddy Rico. What's up, Big Fred? Tell everybody goodbye.